When God created marriage, He designed it as a holy union, two becoming one in love, a divine covenant built on unity, intimacy, and lifelong devotion. But life can get difficult and stressful. Work, bills, kids, deadlines pull at what God intended to stay unbreakable. Whether your marriage is strong or struggling, it needs to be nurtured. It needs time. It needs intention. That's why here at the St. Luke's Coptic Orthodox Church, we created C.O.R.D, Couples on the Road to Devotion. This 10-month journey is designed to strengthen, heal, and enrich your marriage. Each month, we tackle key topics: communication, conflict resolution, trust, intimacy, parenting, finances, and many more. Led by expert speakers, therapists, pastors, and coaches from across the nation, this course is designed to strengthen your marriage the way God intended it to be. Whether your marriage is flourishing or quietly feeling distant and disconnected, C.O.R.D is here to restore and renew it. Spots are limited. Register now. Your marriage is worth it.